morning everyone, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss the basic concept of geometry, where we will discuss about line, rays and line segments. So let's discuss one by one. First we will discuss about point. What is point? Point is an exact location. Point is an exact location. If you see here, we have 3 points A, B and C. And if I ask you where is the point A, then you will say point A is here, because this point shows the exact location of A. This point shows the exact location of B. Okay, so that is only mentioned here. A point is an exact location. It has no length, breadth and thickness. It has no shape and size, so because of that we can't measure the point. It is represented by dot, you can see, and named by capital letter. Okay, please remember we have to name the point by capital letter only, like A, B, P, Q, etc. Alright, so this is about point. Next we have line. A line has no breadth and thickness. This has no breadth and thickness. A straight line can be extended to any length on both the side. You can see arrowhead is mentioned here. Both the end you can see, means is that we can increase this side also and this side also. Both sides can be extended. Alright. To show this fact, arrowheads are drawn at the end point of a line. Example you can see here. If I show you the animation, so like this can be extended in both the side. Alright, and this we can read as AB or line BA. Either you read AB or BA, both are correct. Alright, and you can write as AB or line AB or line BA, or you can mention like this AB and double headed arrow you can mention above the AB, same way above the BA. As you can see here, this is how we have to represent. Alright, now line segment. Now what is this line segment? A part of a line is known as line segment. If you see the picture here, this is line and in that we have A and B. Okay, so we had point A and point B. So here the length of A and B is fixed, which we can measure by the scale and all. Alright, so exact length we can find out of A and B. So this is what this is line segment. It has a fixed length which can be measured. Alright, we can measure it. Now here AB is the line segment, so we can read as line segment AB or BA. AB or BA. Alright, and we can write as line over AB or line over BA. Like this we can write the name of the line segment. Clear you all? Next we have ray. Now what is this ray? A ray is a straight line which has a starting point but goes indefinitely in the other direction. Okay, if you see the starting point of this ray, you can see the arrow is mentioned this side and this side we don't have arrow. Means is that this line is going endlessly this side, but here the starting point is fixed. Here you can see the starting point is fixed, but this is going endlessly this side. So this is only the ray. Alright, so that is only mentioned here. A ray is the straight line which has the starting point. Here you can see the starting point but goes indefinitely in the other direction. This side going indefinitely or endlessly. Clear now? Now AB is the ray with the starting point A and going indefinitely in the other direction. Alright, so we can read as ray AB and we can write as this is the symbol of ray which we have to mention above the AB. Okay, clear? If you see the animation, this ray can be extended like this. Okay, because arrowhead is mentioned here, this side we can extend. Alright, but the starting point is fixed. So this is about the ray. Alright, now we have parallel line. Two lines are called parallel if they do not intersect at any point. Okay, when we extend this AB and CD, they will not intersect to each other. Okay, they will not intersect to each other. Clear now? Because both are parallel line. Example, you can see the railway track. That is the example of parallel line. Am I clear, you all? Now, even if you see the distance between this line AB and CD always be same. Okay, when you extend, then also the distance will be same. Then only that will be the parallel line. Am I clear, you all? So I hope today whatever I discuss, each and everything is clear, you all. Thank you.